Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be going to the gym here, but we're also going to be reviewing some new headphones that my wife and I just picked up. They're called Vako VT1s. So right now I'm going to show you how to get them set up and also how well they work when you're out actually working out in the gym or running around, and how good they actually perform. So without further ado, let's get started. Put the headphones and the case back inside, so we're going to show you what it would be like to actually unbox it if you just got it brand new. So my wife is taking it out now, and it comes in a very nice package here. It's very well protected. You see the Vako portable charging case. So we're going to open that up here. There's the wireless earbuds there, and then if my wife would kindly take out the other side here, we have the charging cable for the actual case itself, and the instructions are going to be in the bottom there, and also some more ear clips if you don't like the original ones. Here's your user manual right there. Alright, so now we're going to actually show you how to set it up. So first thing you're going to do is go into your settings on your Android device or your Apple device, such as my wife's iPhone here.
Don't worry about the crack screen.
Yeah, it's got a crash screen, but it's no big deal.
It automatically brought this, so I didn't have to do anything.
Yeah, so it automatically brought up the Bluetooth name there, Vako VT1. So my wife is going to tap on that. And also, when you take the headphones out of the case, they automatically start the pairing procedure. And as you can see here, it is currently connected right down here. And my wife is going to put them in her ear so we can see how they fit. And one thing I do like about these headphones is the clip that you use to put them in your ear. They definitely help secure the headphones in so they don't fall out. So as you can see there. Alright, so right now we're going to go into the gym. We're going to get some footage of us working out with the headphones in use. That way you all can see how they perform. Workout. My wife is going to disconnect the headphones now, and to disconnect them you simply just put the headphones in your case. I'm going to wait for her to get to her settings on her phone and her Bluetooth so we can show you when they disconnect. So if you look here, you see they're currently connected, and if you would, I'll hold the phone for you. If you would, put them in the case and you see that they will automatically disconnect. Alright, close the lid. As you can see now, they're not connected. Simple as that. So what do you like about the headphones, or do you like them, or what are any complaints about them?
I love the headphones. I love the sound quality. I love the fact that they stay in my ears no matter what exercise I'm doing. I love the fact that they connect easily to my phone. And I've had a lot of headphones, and these are probably the best ones I've ever used, so I'm never going to get rid of this one. So.
Okay. And also to add to what you were saying there, you can also pause and unpause music as you're listening to music. So if you need to pause them to have conversation, you can do that. And then also you can answer the phone calls from a simple press of the button, and you can do that with either headphone. You don't have to do it with one or the other, just whichever one is convenient for you to press at the time. And right here is the charge level for the headphones. Right now you can see they're currently fully charged. And also if you look to the side here and open this little cover up, this is where you charge the case for the headphones. So that's a micro USB cable, which they did provide in the case. So keep that in mind. You have to have the case at all times to charge the headphones. If you ever lose the case, you're not going to be able to charge the headphones. So keeping this in a safe and secure place where you're not going to lose it is the best thing to do. Well, that concludes today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And we will catch you guys in the next one.